Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to target a location on Facebook ads. First, go to Facebook Ads Manager on your browser. Now click on Create from the left-hand menu to start a new campaign. Choose a campaign objective such as sales, then click Continue to move to the next step. Then enter a campaign name that helps you identify your ad later. Next, select Create a catalog if your campaign involves products. Then choose your budget strategy. You can go with a daily or lifetime budget based on your plan. Now set up audience segment reporting and check if your campaign falls under any special ad categories like housing, employment, or credit. After that, choose the conversion location. This is where you want to drive sales, such as your website or app. Then select your performance goal, which tells Facebook what results you're aiming for, like more purchases or leads. Now scroll down to the locations section. Here, you can search for a specific city, country, or region you want to target with your ads. After selecting the location, use the slider to set a distance in kilometers around that area to fine-tune your target. This allows you to control exactly where your ads will appear based on your preferred location and range. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.